look at these awful views. You wouldn't want to be looking at that, would you? Oh, both sides, look at it. We're in the right spot here. This is a good place for a 364 tour. Nice. What a place to live. Imagine living here and you just got that. Oh, that's just epic. Unbelievable. Obermeimend. Awful views. You don't know where to look, do you? It's like every direction's amazing. Yeah. So I'm just in Austria now, making our way to Germany. It's a long time to get. It's about 5.5 hours ride yet to get to the Black Forest. And while we're here, we're just taking a bit of a break. Have a look at this. Just turning around now. What's all this about? That view's right down that valley there. That's an amazing view. I mean, to say it's not even a clear day, that's a fair distance down there, isn't it? And you look at this view here. All these people living in one little valley. I'm saying little, it's a big valley, isn't it? We're going to that, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Is that not the Austria you imagined? It is, isn't it? Saying that, just like we're leaving in time, it's starting to rain here. Working our way down mountain, that what we've just been looking at from down there, that's where we're going. Right then. Let's rock and roll. Let's get off this first as well. I want to set real road, but that's gritty and all. Scrambling. Oh, look at that, good timing. Visor down, face full of water. Yeah, we're not outrunning this rain. Ain't it funny though, where we've just been stood, it's been dry and then should have camped there. It's a bit of wild camping. No, I mean you can do that, you can have a beer and everything with friends and that, but just take everything with you when you go. I mean, how hard is it to just take a black bin liner with you and just throw all your shit in it and take it with you? I don't get it. These same people though, they go to places like you know, these beautiful spots. Oh, it's a beautiful spot. Let's go camping there, the views are amazing, it's beautiful. So while we're there, we'll stop it being beautiful by leaving a load of shit. Where's the logic? I don't get it. A lot of these times you go to these places that you know, people online tell you they're amazing and all that, and then don't get me wrong, they are, but you get there and every other man and his dogs had the same idea, so they just spoiled it by having too many like that. The Eagle's Nest, that in theory sounded like it were amazing, and that was ruined by too many people. There were like way too many people on one, you know, they should have staggered them trips more. But they can't say no to money, can they? That's the problem. More awful views. It's terrible, that. I like the wicker fence that they put up so you can't look that way. Lousy sods. Oh, we get distracted, alright. I'm distracted because my cable's come out of my head, my thing. I'll have to put it in on the move. Riding one-handed at the moment through tunnels and other shenanigans. I can find the hole and shove it in for half an hour. There, you get a little window to look at. Oh, I was just about to say to look out at trees. Disappointing. Well, I'll say one thing. Austria do better tunnels than anybody else, and more of them. That's one thing they are good at. Yours is probably avoiding traffic, because mine says in 21 minutes we're going to hit traffic, so I wonder if it's trying to take any different way. I don't know what different way there is. Yeah, Liechtenstein. Oh, hang on, Fernstein. Yeah. Yeah, middle of nowhere. Yeah, so it's the first Liechtenstein registration, that then. Just 5 letters. No, don't make it complicated. Bloody traffic coming up the way is bad, isn't it? I hope we're not going to get that at the other end of this pass or whatever it is. I bet we do.
The traffic might be bad, but at least it's not raining. Oops, I spoke too soon.
It's a wet corner and all, isn't it?
Jonathan points out there's blue skies above.
Yeah.
I think he's getting desperate.
There's what? Oh, yeah. Not used to seeing blue skies.
Although I've edited most of it out, we did spend a lot of time on this day trying to get through traffic.
You think your sat-nav would give you an indication when you cross countries, wouldn't you? Saying, border, you should say border for such a place coming up, and you'd be like, oh right, I'll keep my eye out for it. But oh no, that's too simple. Let you go through it, miss it, and no idea what's going on. When you see it like that, and you can only see cloud, you do wonder yourself, how much further does that mountain go? We can only see part of it. I'm thinking the same about this bloody queue. How far does this go? Alright, looking forward today, you know, getting on bike and doing, just absolutely smashing a load of miles. I thought I'll get on, get 400 miles in, and then camp. It's just been this all day. Let's do it then. There's no need for this shit, is there? Even if we just stay at a steady. What's the hold up? Each time the traffic's not coming, I'll just go round them. Like I said, we're stuck in this queue though, we're getting nowhere rapid. We've not even got out of Austria. We're supposed to be camping in bloody Switzerland or something today. We've got to get through Liechtenstein first. We just ain't doing it, are we? And now it's raining. and now it's chucking down like, you know, I'll piss off just that much. And then wave at a bike, when you don't wave back, you feel like punching his head in. Well, that helped a little bit, didn't it? We filtered a bit and now we're moving. Yeah, but what with bloody hold up? Don't get it. It's just weird, isn't it? It does this back home though, doesn't it? It's not a... Look at the bloody weather in front of us there. It's unreal. Welcome to Lancashire. It's kind of cool, isn't it, riding along the train?
I turned the camera off for just a few minutes, and I kinda wish I kept it on for proof of what I've just witnessed. You see, I passed a sign and at first I thought I'd misread it. Then I saw another sign. What an unfortunate name for a place.
Oh my god! Oh!
Even got a special barn for it, and a house. Obviously, I don't find this funny, because I'm a very mature adult.
Wank. Oh, that's tickled the shit out of me. Oh, me. I wish I had my camera on. F***ing missed that. Oh, that was brilliant. Oh, what a name. Oh, such a child. I need to grow up. Should have stopped there and got a picture next to the sign. I'm almost tempted to go back. The wank mark. Oh god. Oh dear, I'm crying. I'm crying, I've laughed that much at that sign. Excellent. Made me day that. Oh, I wish there were another sign. Wish I got that on film. Tears on my face and everything. just so unexpected. Coming in a car. Wank. Oh, brilliant. You couldn't make this shit up. Where? You can do, yeah. I still can't see Aldi. Must be around this corner. Oh, that's more than 50 metres. Oh, it's there, we just passed it. Yeah, I think... It was an instruction. Oh, fuck off, I can't see. We're coming into the pin bends and I can't see if we're laughing. I'm crying. Oh dear. Oh, I didn't expect that today, that was really awesome. So funny. Oh. Just, you know when you're just in a world you the last thing I expected to see. We're at a place, no, the instructions say I'm going to do this camping malarkey. I don't know where the campsite is, but oh. Letting him go. this is it. How do you know what it is? Hotel, restaurant, bar, don't mention camping.
We were enjoying the dry weather, and within 5 minutes we looked up and the sky had changed to this.
I know what's going to happen here.
Our campsite is just 3 miles away. This is not looking good for pitching a tent.
I must have done something really bad in my last life to be punished. Oh, that's a storm, that massive storm on your right there. Look at, oh, that's bad that. Yeah, we're talking washed away tent there, not fucking getting wet. It's a monsoon, look at it. And we're here. Where's the campsite? Is it just like a pay and park and display?
In Europe you have to be very careful. There are a lot of these campsites that are just like this. They're basically just for motorhomes to just park up and plug in. No good if you've got a tent.
I think you just park up and pay or something. No, it can't be, it's just for camper vans. Bit of off-roading with road tyres, always a bonus. Now coming, Sheldon's coming. Not, hey, stop laughing, not like that.
Okay, so that wasn't our campsite. The actual campsite was the next turning. We all knew this, but that didn't stop Jonathan riding straight past it.
Yeah, I'll see you in an hour. Camping Grüntensee. I'll Grüntensee. Grub got. Yeah, we like grub. Where's the reception? Reception on the left. It's got a restaurant, it's got a bar. It's not raining, it's a bonus. Yeah. Yeah, don't get donked on head. You're on the wrong side of the road. How are you supposed to do this? You're supposed to be on the right side of the road, but it's on the left. We could of course drive around those beam bikes. Is it? I'm going to say it could have been that one. I think they're both. I think they both lead to the same place. I'll let you know in a minute. I just wanted to have a look around campsite. It'd be lovely on a lovely day. That's a good spot right side at lake. That's a bloody big lake at that. Where do you want to go? park here at the side of this and then hello. Right, so we're on this campsite, we're back in Germany, we're southwest of Munich. We've been making our way across the country, like kind of diagonal northwest to the Black Forest, that's where we're heading. Probably get somewhere close tomorrow. Today we've had no progress whatsoever. We set off with big intentions, we're going to do loads of miles, we're going to get close to the Black Forest and all the rest of it. And you've never known traffic like it. It was just traffic jam all day. Horrendous. So I think we did, in kilometres, we did about 250 kilometres or something. But we were riding for, I don't know, about 7 hours. It's ridiculous. Just trying to get around. I mean, we were on motorbikes, so we went round a lot of cars and stuff. But yeah, progress was really slow. Anyway, we're in this bog. That's the best way to describe it. It's absolutely sodden. Yeah, it's grim. So I hope it don't rain much at night, because if it does, there's a lake here and we'll be in it. I think that's what the fence is for, that's to stop scents floating off into the lake. There's another part of the campsite that they showed us. It's on a big steep hill. I'd be sliding out my tent.
The storm came and passed over us. It took about 10-15 minutes and it did rain quite heavy. Luckily for us, we was in reception at the time, sorting our booking out. Once we got back to the bikes, the weather was fine again. Bit of luck for change. As you can see, the campsite is on the edge of a boating lake, as seems to be quite common on our camping trip. This is the Grüntensee campsite, which is at the side of the lake of the same name. It's situated in Wertach and we're in Germany, so we did actually get out of Austria and we're now in Germany, making our way eventually to the Black Forest, which is our next major destination. The campsite is very nice, but while at reception they did warn us they'd had a lot of rain and the ground would be very boggy. And they wasn't wrong. As we walked across to pitch our tents, water seeped up above our shoes, so it is pretty boggy. In the next episode I'll show you more of the campsite before we get back on the bikes and head further into Germany.